Welcome to the new video. So today I want to show you some examples of sustainable vegan living. Here's the grocery store, and I also want to share with you some examples of cooked food meals, clean cooked food, oil-free. The cooked food I believe in, but mostly I believe in fruits, as you can see. Fruits and vegetables, high raw fruit base, high carb, low fat. That's when it comes to diet. So I'm right now at a boarding school in Hungary, and I do miss my bike a lot. I've done more running these past weeks, and I'm slowly getting used to it, but I'm a huge believer that if you want something, you're gonna get it. So, here's corn tortillas. I'm exploring just the grocery store, and I'm having fun. Vegan ice cream. Even if you want treats, you have vegan ice cream. Lots and lots of examples in time. And here's some lentils, cooked lentils, oil-free. And this is some soup from spinach and potatoes, tomatoes, beans, oil-free. It's a really great, clean cooked food. And yeah, I'm a huge believer, potatoes and charred, cooked, oil-free, healthy. So if you want to have cooked food, this is my advice and my examples of what would you what to have. So oil-free peas, and having that with some rice. That's really great. And this is just a short video to announce it. More content, more Budapest, showing of Budapest definitely is going to be in the future, and the way I stay active and all, and just stay positive and focus and manifest your positive affirmations, and you eventually will achieve anything you want. Thank you for watching.